Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm from Mexico and she is my friend.
I'm Fernanda and I'm also from Mexico.
Okay, YCC is a program for you can learn about your community.
Yeah, you can know about the culture here or
The issues,
yeah.
social issues.
We are volunteering there to help these different kinds or situations that the community needs, like volunteering and help.
Our teacher is Kimberly. We have to know different issues, social issues in different countries.
Compare with all countries with here, all the social issues, and we as a team choose one specific problem we want to help.
With my hands or with my personality, I can help other people.
We were able to know real people here, like
Yes.
how real people lives here.
You can know the other people in different places. For example, in food bank, you work with other people. Not all people are students, so you can take a conversation with other persons, and it's interesting because they are so warm. Kelowna have a lot of programs for help people. This is for me the first surprise because in Mexico we don't have a lot of programs.
Very different.
Yes.
With this program, Kimberly, she guide us to become in persons that trust in people, like and trust in yourself.
When the program ended, we are a family, really a family.
Yeah, we are a team. We trust in each other.
I think this is my best decision I take when I choose the elective. So I really recommend this program.
Actually, when I first joined, I didn't know what was the class about. I joined and it was a big surprise because I really learned things that can help in my life. So yes, it was a very great experience.